Just as I thought, you're suffering from a condition known as earworm. You see, when your brain becomes stuck on a catchy tune, you're susceptible to earworm infection, and you got a nasty one there. The only way to drive the earworm out is with another catchy tune.
Oh! I got one. 'Tis an old sea shanty me and me mate used to sing in the high seas.
Sisters below, we're going where the winds don't blow. Yes, we're all bound down to the deep, and we'll all be sleeping in the cold. Sisters below, we're going where the winds don't blow.
He ain't budging.
I'll be darned if anybody can resist a Western song while wearing a Western hat.